You have control and communications.
I have control and communication.
Master caution. Electrical AC essential bus fault.
ECAM actions.
AC essential feed alternate. Alternate. ATC system 2. System 2. Electrical AC essential bus fault. Clear?
Clear.
Out of flight. Yodamper 1. Rudder trim 1 fault. Rudder travel emitter 1. Out of flight. Clear?
Clear.
Calling status. Status. Cat 1 only. Inoperative systems. ADR 1. ILS 1. Captain Pito. Captain angle of attack. Cat 2. Yodamper 1. Rudder trim 1. Rudder travel emitter 1. System data acquisition concentrator 1. Flight warning computer 1. DMC 1. GPWS. Status clear.
Clear.
ECAM actions completed. You have control. I have communications.
I have control. You have communications.